Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process of how to properly clean out the headphone jack on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone to ensure it works perfectly. The headphone jack is located at the top of the phone, here. To clean it, we need to have the phone turned off, so we have to turn it off completely. It cannot be turned on. We need a small round brush like this. We order it as part of a set. You can always buy one yourself. And for this, we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol, so that nothing in the phone gets rusty anywhere, so that no residue is left behind or anything like that. So we spray the brush thoroughly with alcohol. First, we take the phone, hold it upright, then carefully insert the brush inside, and slowly twist it all the way to the side. First, we insert it inside, then twist it to the right about 5 times, to the left about 5 times, and then pull it out. We insert it again, and once more, twist it 5 times in one direction, 5 times in the other direction, then pull it out, and repeat this about 5 or 6 more times, so that the port is thoroughly cleaned. If there was any minor liquid damage or something similar, this should help with everything. If there's still something left in the port after this, there's nothing more we can do except replace the port. But for most other issues, like poor connections or intermittent interruptions, this kind of cleaning will fully solve your problem. We put the brush aside and set the phone down. We leave it for about 10 minutes to let the alcohol fully evaporate. And that's it. Everything is done. Thank you very much for your attention. That's all for today. Please give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.